Welcome at PASC 25. This is the highlights from the mini symposium. I'm here with Marco Lattuada and Miroslava Denialkova. You were the co-organizers of a mini symposium entitled Data-Driven Design and Simulation of Functional Nanomaterials, Exploring Amorphous Disorders, Spin Crossover Behavior, and Plasmonic Systems for Solar Energy. This is a very long title, but nevertheless, can you summarize what was your mini symposium about?
So essentially, the idea of mini symposium behind this, apart from this very complicated title, is actually to try to see how one can use simulations and combination of fundamental simulations and also, machine learning to find, let's say, specific design criteria for various types of materials. Nano here is a bit broad term. Some of them were more inorganic, some of them are more nanomaterials, some of them are more, let's say, amorphous, but that's a bit the idea behind.
And after these hours of discussions, what are there highlights or key messages that you would like to share?
Yeah, all the speakers and also the participants in the mini symposium and also in our open discussion was really like a gathering about the idea that really the quality of data, the level of simulation, the accuracy, this is, we should really like leverage this kind of the main, really like a heads up for the people in the community.
I think this is not only your community, but now this is the discussion across all possible communities, mini symposium. Yeah. This was really the underlying theme of many discussions that I have heard so far at the PASC conference. What would you like to see happening next? So PASC is over, you had an interesting discussion. Not to lose the momentum that you have gained during the conference, what would you like to see happening?
Well, one of the things we would like to see is, improve a little bit the collaboration between experimentalists and simulations, find a way to make the data that are available more homogeneous, find better ways to assess the quality of the data, and find, of course, better strategies to integrate experiments with simulations and machine learning.
So not only talk about these items or these important topics, but actually starting working in the right direction so that next year maybe we can have the next step because we started to do that. Very good. Thank you very much for joining us. You still want to add something?
Yeah, I really want to say, because this conference was really like a cross-section between really the hardware people which are working on that, really like the computational software developers, and really the people which like us were making an application of this kind of method. And really this is kind of, the platform that should be like more be broadened, and really to look for this kind of cross-section about the interest.
But this has always been the spirit of the PASC conference, the interdisciplinary, but also take really people from all sides, hardware, software, the scientists, the application developers, so all the people together, also from different domains, to really brainstorm and have a common path to follow.
Exactly.
Everyone to be a little bit more about the comfort zone.
Exactly. About the big picture and not just your specific domain.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you
also for being at PASC 25, and thank you all.